Welcome, dear learners. I'm Dr. Ashu Tomar. Will be starting today's lecture on the topic Expert Technical Lecture. Expert Technical Lecture is a session where students interact with experts, invited experts, to explore a specific subject. So, generally, we invite an expert of a specific subject, and on that specific subject, generally, they are having the interaction with the students. The objective of these lectures is to provide a platform for students to share their ideas, views, and to help them relate theoretical concepts to practical inputs from the field. So basically, we will, as a student, we will be able to learn many of the things when we are attending any expert technical lecture. Expert technical lecture is of two types: traditional lecture, participatory lecture. Traditional lecture is a type of lecture in which the speaker is the only dominating figure and listeners remain passive. So, only conversation, the communication which is taking place, that is from the side of the speaker. It is a one sided interaction between both the parties. Active, active participation of listeners is avoided. It is a one way process of communication. Next one is participatory lecture. It is a type of lecture in which the speaker begins the session with the brainstorming ideas. Brainstorming ideas with a new innovative idea so that we can involve the listeners, participants. That is why we start with that brainstorming ideas. And in participatory lecture, the students, the audience, they participate actively in such type of lecture. Both the parties, speaker and listener, are playing an active role in a participatory lecture. Essentials of expert technical lecture. Essentials, the first thing is clarity of theme. The theme must be known to us. If the theme is clear, it will be easy for the speaker to share the information or ideas with the students, and even students are mentally prepared that what is the theme, what we have to discuss, and they can even come with their doubts, queries, whatever they are having. Clear and logical development of ideas. The ideas must be developed logically with clarity in a systematic manner. Basically, the ideas will be developed so that it will be easy for audience to understand whatever ideas you are sharing with them. Meaningful and comprehensible material for providing knowledge. Ultimate purpose of technical lecture is to provide knowledge, is to share knowledge with the audience. Analysis of the data. Now, whenever we are preparing any lecture or delivering any lecture, before that, lot of analysis is being done so that we can present the proper knowledge or share the proper knowledge with the audience. Proper use of technical terms. If some like the topic is technical, then same type of vocabulary language must be used by us so that we can justify the technicality of that lecture, and even audience will be able to understand that technical language. Now the next topic is seminar, an occasion when a teacher, expert, or a group of people meet to study and discuss something. So when a group of people, they are sitting together and an expert is also there, so they have a discussion related to a particular topic. It is a discussion in a small group. Its objective is to share knowledge. Purpose is to share the information, knowledge, so that as a student we can get the information from the experts. Participants get their name registered. They are experts or knowledgeable persons from different fields and places who come to exchange views or share knowledge on a particular topic. It plays a significant role in business organizations. Seminars are organized on a regular basis in the companies and the organizations. So, the basic purpose is to share the information and knowledge, and through these discussions, we can remain update with the current topics. Next one is conference, confer, sitting together to discuss. An event sometimes lasting a few days. At times, we are having a conference of 2 days, 3 days, at which there is a group of talks on a particular subject, or a meeting in which especially business matters are discussed formally. The term conference means to confer, which means to discuss, to converse, or to consult. It is a sort of discussion in a large group. So, seminar is organized at a smaller scale, conference is organized at a large group. Its range or scope of participants is wider than seminar. It is a large gathering having particular area of interest, and the purpose is to share the information related to a theme. It ends with some conclusions, solutions, and suggestions. One more thing which we organize, that is workshop. Now the purpose of workshop is to provide practical exposure. We get to know the practical know-how of the theoretical concepts which we study. So the focus of the workshop, like 5 days workshop is there, 1 week workshop is there. Their basic focus is hands-on training. That is practical hands-on experience through which, as a student, through which, as an audience, I will be able to learn the concept practically. Objective of organizing seminar, conference, workshop: the first objective or the purpose is to provide a podium for the cross fertilization of ideas. Cross fertilization, that is sharing of different information, through which my ideas will more ideas will be added to my knowledge, similarly with other persons too. They provide an opportunity to coordinate, cooperate various activities. So when we are together, we get into the contact of another person. So even in the future, we can have good links and we can organize different type of activities, maybe like seminar only. They help in solving problems. भाई कोई प्रॉब्लम है, लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल आपने रिसर्च पेपर की है, या कोई भी कॉन्फ्रेंस में आपने कोई पेपर प्रेजेंट किया है, तो और डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स क्या हो सकते हैं उस प्रॉब्लम के सॉल्यूशन की फॉर्म में, दे आर ऑल्सो गेट इन टू चैनलाइज when we are having a discussion with the persons. They help in reaching to a conclusion after much healthy discussion. So even we can come out with the conclusions, or we even get to know the different viewpoints about same topic. So even those different perspectives are important if we want to do our research more, or more aspects can be included in our research paper. Discussions held in seminars, conferences help in the successful layout of a project or plan. So even we can take that research paper in a better way. We can even plan for a project. So we get different ideas through which we can go along with those ideas, and we can come out with a new project or with any new research plan. कमेंट फॉर योर डाउट्स, नोट्स के लिए टेलीग्राम चैनल ज्वाइन करें. द लिंक इज गिवन इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स. थैंक यू.